Hi there. Welcome to Veena Pro ERP Solutions. First of all, I would like to request you, please subscribe us if you are watching my video for the first time. Press the bell icon to get instant updates from us. We know that retail sector is thriving. So, the future of retail sector is bright compared to any other sectors. Due to its popularity, there are a number of big players have jumped into this fray, and they come with innovative technique and consumer-friendly plans, by which consumers are getting aware of them. These changes have impacted positively and accelerated the competition. Therefore, it is important to adhere to the technology in retail sector to stay ahead compared to the trend or to the competitors. At the end of the day, you have to satisfy your customers, and it is quite easy to get this feature from our ERP software. Veena Pro has introduced retail billing and inventory management software for retail store. No matter whether you have a small-scale retail store or medium-scale, this software will work well and able to ease your billing and other tasks. The advantages of our retail management ERP software are: 1. Send bill or outstanding on the customer WhatsApp. Everyone wants to connect with smartphones and win with the help of our retail management software. You can easily send invoices, outstandings, stock and sales analysis, ledger balances, sale, purchase order and various types of reports to customers, parties directly on their WhatsApp. With the help of this feature, retailers can also send a reminder to the customer about the outstanding invoices on their respective WhatsApp. 2. Unique QR code for the shop. QR code is always considered as a revolutionary for retail. We are aware of this advanced feature, and we have introduced a new option as QR code to ensure contactless business. The retailers can easily print the QR code from software and paste outside their shop counter to experience a new modern business with ease. The user can customize the information of items he wants to provide, like availability, prices, and schemes as per his requirement. 3. Call your customer directly from your computer. Our retail and CRM software is integrated with a very beneficial provision of direct calling for the distributors, retailers and businessmen that will eliminate the need to manually place the calls to the customers or distributors. 4. A retail web application. You can easily place the online orders to the distributors, and you can also track the status of all the orders. The retailers can also view on the web that which distributors are available nearby and which items are available with them, and along with that what schemes or offers those distributors are giving. It is a perfect feature that will save a lot of time that you may have spent on searching them manually. These are some of the silent features you are going to get from our retail and inventory software. We have developed and upgraded time to time this software that will surely ease your business and able to elevate to a new sphere. Enjoy these highly advanced features of our retail software and make your business hassle-free. If you are looking for best retail software, then contact us now. Veena Pro is the best choice for you. For more information, please visit our website www.veenapro.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you for watching us.